Sige, alis na ako.
I'm telling you, fool, you're doing it wrong. Come back and I'll show you how it's done.
Everybody know. Hey, remember me? It's Mama.
Yo!
Hey, Mama. What's up, Mama? Mama. Nakimama.
Man, that
Eto.
only helps so much.
Kilala pa rin nila ako
Stick
tumara.
back and let them cope with the few brain cells they blessed with.
We need a store run.
Oo. Wag. Ayoko. Bubunot ka niyan eh.
2 weeks later,
Kalaban na natin.
smash mode, man. You see that shit?
Hindi. Teka, takbo tayo. Tago muna tayo. Fix accent. Mapalila buntok eh. Yan yung sinasabi ko, hindi natin katropa yan eh. Hindi ko tropa yan. Nakapula eh.
Hey, honey boo, you look great.
Eto. Tawagan ko yung mga tropa.
You boot butt motherfucker. Hey, Reverend. Thanks for calling me back.
Tropa.
Shit, yeah.
What up?
What up, my man?
What do you mean I didn't give it?
Niga? Hindi pa rin kayo nagkakasundo sa kabila.
Hey, Frank. What's hood, my nephew?
Eto, uncle.
Are you asking me out, Reverend?
Maya pa. Abak kaya kabak. Hanggang ngayon eh, talagang mangkepeng ka pa rin eh. Sige, Bap, sagli mo. Tito. Ayun no.
Lay down these gut-ass fools.
Ain't that
Hey, what's up? Idol.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I'm not looking in the right places. Where should I look?
Tito.
Hey, what's happening, homie?
Likwa.
What up?
Iniwan nga kita dun eh. Nandiyan ka ulit. Teka, pasok ako dito. Nandito yung mga tropa natin.
Stop looking at me.
Andito.
I'm not getting into this right now.
I'm banking for life, bitch.
What's up? Oo.
You want
Ay.
to start
Damn,
something?
Franklin. Everything all right?
Yeah.
You really fucking with me, right?
I will fucking
Okay. Tayo na ako.
Chump.
Hindi eh, alis na nga ako. Ay, palila buntok eh. Kala ko welcome ako dyan.
Now what?
May kilukluk ko mo eh. Nakayupo lang naman ako eh.
Hey, girlfriend.
Okay.
Hey, girl.
Palis na nga ako eh. Ako ba nakapark? Nawala natin yung kotse ko eh.
You tried to feel my breath?
Eh, sa kabila.
I've been on the set since I was 11 years old.
Uncle, sige, paalam na ako, Uncle. Bye-bye. Uncle.
What's the day to you?
Oo. Babagot na ka na. Oy,
Still cheap.
Uncle naman. May magot siya eh.